The only thing stronger than fear is hope. The courage. The courage is actually the grace under pressure. This video is basically for all our channel partners, sales professionals, business owners, and those who have been working day and night in order to maintain their businesses, in order to maintain their families, in order to maintain the economy, maintain the nations, and maintain the global economy. Post lockdown, many companies, many professionals, they have not been able to unlock their businesses. I have been talking to many partners. I spoke to many salespeople, division heads, the top guys, the CEO, the directors, the business owners. And the concerns remains the same. What is my observation to the situation and the message I want to give you all from the platform of UTBR? Do not panic. You will be able to unlock your business. There are few things that you need to change left and right, and you will be on the track. The first thing is the acceptance. You will have to accept the market is changed now. What you can do now to reap off the business. The market has opened after a long time. You'll find difficulties chasing people, meeting people, getting this done. The best advice at this point in time is to revive all your old contacts, one thing. Second, if you are an established business, ask your existing customer for the references. Third, if not, trace out the location where your existing customers are. Find out the customer of the same proximity, in the same area. Furthermore, you can try contacting the customers from the same vertical where you have the major strength. Like some might have good strength on the hospitality segment, some might have good strength on the government or manufacturing or BFSI. Try focusing on that stream because you already have a market reputation, you already have a customer reputation, you must have some sort of testimonials in those market verticals. These testimonials, these references is going to give confidence to the customers at this time of crisis, and trust me, this is going to open up a new way for your business. Don't just blindly dig out the prospects and don't go for a blind run. Stop it here. Then finally, many a times I hear to the consultants or the professionals or the salespeople, they say the market is down, the market is real bad. How long will you keep on cursing market? This is the time to take action. I'll give you 3 different exercises, 3 different methods, 3 different techniques whereby you can reap off maximum business, maximum sales, maximum revenue for your organization. The first thing, many people or many sales professionals, they find themselves very unfortunate. They say like the customers are not entertaining. Yes, the customer might not be entertaining you because you are pitching in the wrong market or you are pitching to the wrong customers. How? There are 3 different possibilities when the sales happens. Lucky are those who get a customers who are in deep urgency or extreme urgency of a product or a solution or any services. When I say deep urgency, for an example, if a company has got ransomware attack, the company need to decrypt their data or to clean the data or to recover the servers. These are the companies who immediately need the help. Any companies who have been selling security products or a backup solution or recovery solution, they could be of some sort of assistance to these companies. So that is where you get your sweet spot, you get a direct demand for your product, and you could probably do a reasonable business dealing. Then second category of customers could be those customers who has a need of your product or services. When they have need, obviously they would try to evaluate the opportunity, they would try to evaluate the product and the technologies, not just with you but with many vendors. That is where you have to be competent enough to justify yourself against the rest of the competitors. Means you'll have to give the proper competitors analysis to the customer. You will have to help the customer to take the right decision. You can still win the deal, but it is not going to be easy task at this time of crisis, because everybody is business hungry. So you have to be ultra smart. Go through all the previous videos. Probably there are many tricks that and there are many methods I have shared. It could be of some help to you all. Finally, there are third category of customers. Those who have got the want for the product or the services. They already have a product and services. There is no urgency, there is no need. But somewhere they have some sort of, missing factor, some sort of threat factors remain there, some sort of missing things are there. You reach to those customers, you start presenting your product, and you position yourself as an aspirational solution provider to that customers. Means you have to focus more and more and more on the consumer advantage, and you have to convince the customers on the features, advantages and benefit of the product. So in total, you will keep on meeting variety of customers. There could be customers who have an extreme urgency for your kind of solution or services, or there could be a category of customer who has a need, or you need to find the customers, and then you have to orchestrate all your sales and consulting skills in order to convince the customer, in order to generate the interest for your product. And you need to magnify your services, your feature, your deliveries in such a way that the customer is fascinated and customer truly believes, and you truly deliver to the customers when the deal is done. So the category of customer who will have the extreme urgency for the product will be very less. There will be the category of customers who has got the need of the product would be comparatively larger, and the customers who do not have either urgency nor the need, but they might have want, you will get plethora of such customers. That is where your true skills of sales business is tested. This is the time you need to revive everything inside out. We could be of certain help to you. Probably my videos, I try to deliver most of the sales business tricks through my videos. If in case you have any specific hurdles, obstacles or issues or even concerns, you can write to me. I'll help you out. I want each one of you, yes, all of you, to win, to overcome this difficult time. This is surmountable. It is no difficult. You can win it. You can make it happen. All the very best. Thank you. Have a great day.